Hi everyone, it is good to be back again. Today we are going to discuss a chapter from Beehive NCERT book class 9, that is The Sound of Music, and the subpart is the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. The name is very clear to everyone. Just imagine about this instrument Shehnai and what comes to your mind? Obviously, a wedding, an occasion, or even a function. And what next? Probably Ustad Bismillah Khan, the Shehnai maestro. These two names are intermingled, or I should say they are connected with each other. Because if we talk about this instrument Shehnai, although this instrument Shehnai was being played by many Shehnai players, but when Bismillah Khan came into this field and he started with this instrument, the credit goes to Ustad Bismillah Khan to take this instrument to great heights. So now let us know how this beautiful instrument Shehnai was invented. Let's go back. We'll remember that time period when Aurangzeb was there. Aurangzeb banned an instrument that was pungi in the royal palace. Why? This instrument pungi was banned because of the sound. This pungi instrument has a sound that was very unpleasant. Shrill sound was there, and that is why Aurangzeb banned this instrument in the palace. Then what happened? People thought that very soon this instrument might get a new version. And then a barber who was from a family of musicians, he thought of something new. He used to go to the royal palace too. What he did, he took a hollow stem, a hollow pipe kind of a thing. It was hollow from inside and much longer than this pungi. And then he made 7 holes on that hollow pipe. After that, he tried to play that instrument. And when, with the help of just closing and opening of these holes, the sound that was produced was melodious. And everybody appreciated. They all praised because the sound of this new instrument was melodious. It was pleasant and everybody enjoyed. Now, the question was, what should be the name of this instrument? Then, how Shehnai got this name? That is very important to remember when we study this chapter. Now this instrument, which was created by a barber, was first played in the Shah's chambers. That is why the word Sheh was taken from that Shah. And then the barber was the first one to play this new instrument, so name was taken from that barber also, and when both these terms were combined, it was formed Shehnai. So friends, like this instrument Shehnai was created by a barber, and after that we all know that this sound of Shehnai is considered to be auspicious. And that is why in the early times it was played in the royal courts, royal palaces, temples, and even in the present scenario, you can heard Shehnai in the North Indian weddings, temples, and then the credit goes to Ustad Bismillah Khan, who brought this instrument on the classical stage. If we talk about Ustad Bismillah Khan, when he was just 5, he used to play Gulli Danda in Dumrao, Bihar. And then he used to visit Bihariji's temple where he used to sing. And then as a reward, he got a laddu by the Maharaja of that time period. And then he used to enjoy that thing. From there, he covered a long journey till he received Bharat Ratna in 2001. A big achievement. And how it was all possible? Because Bismillah, at the age of 3, he started learning this instrument, Shehnai. Bismillah Khan was from a family of musicians. His father, grandfather, ancestral members, they all were very prominent Shehnai players. And when, at the age of 5, his mother took him to Banaras, there he saw his uncle playing this instrument, and he was very much fascinated by this instrument. He started learning this instrument, and he used to practice a lot on the bank of River Ganga, sometimes near the temples. And with this hardship, his entire life was devoted for this instrument, Shehnai. And when at the age of 14, Bismillah Khan went to the Allahabad Music Conference with his uncle, and when one of the very prominent music players, Ustad Khan, heard this instrument, and he said to Bismillah Khan, work hard and you can make it. And what Ustad Bismillah Khan achieved, we all are very well aware. That is why whenever we heard the sound of Shehnai, we all remember Ustad Bismillah Khan. And the big break he got when All India Radio was formed in Lucknow. From there, Bismillah Khan started his new big journey of music. And from that time period, everybody was used to hear Shehnai played by Ustad Bismillah Khan. Not just this much, even when India got independence, and on 15th August 1947, it was Bismillah Khan who greeted everyone from the Red Fort through his instrument, Shehnai. So see, not just, the list is endless achievements of Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan not just played in India this instrument, he also went to different countries, and the first foreign trip was to Afghanistan. When the king of Afghanistan, he heard this music of Shehnai, he was very much fascinated, and he rewarded Bismillah Khan with many priceless gifts like carpets, etc. The journey started from there. Journey of like just one milestone, then the other, and we all know that Bismillah Khan is the maestro of this instrument, Shehnai. Not just this much, even in the film industry, directors were also impressed by this instrument, and that is why Vijay Bhatt, what he did, he gave his movie the name which was related with this word Shehnai. Goonj uthi Shehnai. Even one of the compositions of Bismillah Khan was a big chart buster. In this way, Bismillah Khan keep on doing a lot in the field of music with this instrument Shehnai. If we talk about the achievements or awards that were given to Ustad Bismillah Khan, the list is endless. He received the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan and the Padma Vibhushan. Finally, in 2001, Bismillah Khan received one of the famous highest civilian award, that was Bharat Ratna. And when he received that award, he said, "All I would like to say is, teach your children music. This is Hindustan's richest tradition. And even now, people from other countries, they are coming here to learn our music." So friends, this was the big message given by Bismillah Khan. And we can observe, even in the present scenario, students, youngsters, anyone, people get fascinated by music, because music is not just kind of enjoyment. No, music is also, it is said, music is a laughter. Why it is said? Because music can fulfill your life with happiness and joy. Music is having that soothing effect that can just banish all the sorrows of your life, and music soothes you whenever you are in some tension, you are stressed, then music is the best companion. And this is what we have learned from the life of Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan, when he went to other countries, even one of his students, he requested Bismillah Khan to head a music school in the United States of America. But then Bismillah Khan, he told him, "Is it possible for you to transport river Ganga to that place?" Because the student said, "Sir, what I can do is, I can recreate the atmosphere of India. I can replicate the temples here. But to transport Ganga to that place was impossible." This shows Bismillah Khan was very much connected with his motherland, with his country, India. And he used to say, whenever he was in some other country for his performance, then he used to remember river Ganga, Banaras, the mudds of Dumraw. He was always connected with his motherland. And Bismillah Khan, what he did is a remarkable thing in the history. He was even invited by many other countries to perform there, like the King's Art Festival. He was invited there. Even Lincoln Center Hall of the United States of America, Bismillah Khan was invited there to perform. So this is a long journey traveled by a great maestro, Ustad Bismillah Khan. And not just this much, so many awards, so many achievements, one after the other. His entire life was devoted for music. And today, we all are familiar with this word Shehnai. Actually, this instrument, Shehnai, is refined version of this instrument, Pungi, and how it was created, that I have already informed you. So, In this chapter, you have to remember how Shehnai was created, what was the story behind, and how the name was given to this instrument. So, this is all for today. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.